Downed wildlife monitoring is a mission-critical business requirement for many wind and solar farms. Using NeuralDirect's top-tier compliance tool, DWM, helps ensure that state and federal agencies see that you're making an enterprise-quality effort to comply with your environmental plans. DWM helps you toss out your inefficient and error-prone paper data sheets, Excel spreadsheets, Access database, digital camera, and handheld GPS unit. Instead, your staff can use one tablet device to collect all the data you need and safely, reliably store it in the cloud. Then easily generate deliverable compliance reports. As many facilities are in remote locations without reliable internet under the turbines or heliostats, the mobile data collection app runs in an offline mode until technicians have gathered their data for the day. Once back at base, they upload their collected data to the cloud. DWM can be easily configured for site-specific requirements. These could include regional species, site structures, search plot and habitat types, causes of death, measurement units, scheduling mode, and site proctor requirements. The core of DWM runs in the cloud. It is accessed by your managers and reporting staff through a web interface at their desks. Your site technicians access it through a simple mobile interface. Lastly, your business intelligence software can access your data by connecting to the cloud as well. Why go cloud-based? DWM uses Amazon's simple storage service to store your images and nightly database snapshots with 9 nines of reliability across geographically separate facilities. Communications between computers and devices accessing DWM are run across banking industry quality HTTPS secured connections. Disaster recovery is automated. If a server were to crash, it will be detected and automatically replaced within minutes. This keeps DWM available when you need it, day or night. No in-house IT costs to maintain servers, databases, networking connections, perform disaster recovery, etc. means total cost of ownership is drastically reduced. These features allow your staff to focus on their compliance work instead of technology issues. An important feature when accessing an application dealing with mission-critical compliance data is role-based access control. For example, technicians should not be able to see upcoming trials, nor should they have access to generate statistical data reports. Calendar scheduling helps your managers know that they're on top of their compliance monitoring tasks and trials. Easily generating printable compliance reports saves staff significant amounts of time when there's a downed wildlife incident. This helps your organization look professional to the agencies and save money while doing so. Summary statistics at the click of a button helps management and reporting staff understand performance quickly and easily. The data can also be exported for in-depth compliance analysis with third-party software. For facilities off the beaten path, the mobile app's offline data collection method allows fast and responsive user interaction for easy and reliable data collection. Throwing out paper data sheets, handheld GPS units, digital cameras, and the hassle of transcribing this data when back at base saves users significant amounts of time. Even more important will be the great reduction in typing errors by avoiding tired staff copying data from paper into a computer at the end of each day. Task lists, map-based guidance, and photo references streamline your employee workflow to further reduce time and effort costs. In addition to avoiding typos, data integrity is maintained through relational constraints. For example, with a paper process, it's possible to enter searcher efficiency trial data for a day with no actual search, but with the app, this is not possible. Visual warning flags also alert users to unlikely data at the time of entry to further ensure data quality. These error avoidance processes help to make sure only high-quality data is submitted to the compliance agencies. This is key to maintaining a trusted relationship with these agencies. Accessing your sites on the same location allows cross-site data analysis to be extremely effective. Additionally, users who may access data for multiple sites do not have to have multiple links or multiple logins to get at that data. Not all sites are the same, so they need easily configured settings to provide their own lists of options like target species, ground cover types, search requirements, etc. Sharing the same database core, though, is key to allowing cross-site data analysis based on these data fields. To this end, all sites within a system share a system-wide pool of options from which they select the ones relevant to each individual site. With multiple sites in one system, executives can use business intelligence tools such as Power BI to create dashboards and visualizations. These visualizations can give you actionable business intelligence when you need it. They can be used to analyze system-wide performance or drill down and locate trouble spots within individual sites, allowing you to correct emerging compliance monitoring issues before they affect your business. Site-level staff can use the business intelligence visualizations as well to quickly determine the performance of individual technicians. Also, over time, seasonal issues with various trials can be seen and addressed. For example, the expense of searching different ground cover types can be understood and quantified, allowing the cost-benefit ratio for corrective measures to be far more accurately determined than ever before. Have questions or comment? Please go to this URL to read more about DWM and use the contact links there to send us your questions or comments. Or send us an email at info@neuraldirect.com.